Everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of HTML and CSS complete course. So in this video we are going to create the image gallery using pure CSS. Before jumping over to the main point, if you did subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So for creating the image gallery, we are going to just use the HTML and CSS. We are going to just follow the tutorials, the topics that we have learned until this point. For this, first we are going to create the div element and add the class for this, which will be the gallery. And inside the div element, I'm going to create an A element. And let's add the target attribute. The target attribute will use to jump over to the next tab. So when we click on the image, it will open into the next tab. And inside the A element, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the image element. So the image element, and here I am going to show you the images that I'm going to add here. So inside the images folder, I have another folder which is big, and I'm going to use these 4 images. Pick 1, pick 2, pick 4. So here I'm going to target first the images folder, and inside images we have a big folder, and inside the big folder we have pick 1 image which is JPG. So the width, which will be 600, and the height attribute, which will be 400. And that's it. So after this, I'm going from outside the A element, I'm going to create another class which will be the description of the image. So here I'm going to add some information about that image. This is simple image for simple image of image gallery. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this from here, copy this, and let's paste it 3 more times. So 2, 3, and 4. And now I'm going to change the images. So let's say this one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. Now let's save this and let's check how it looks. Let's refresh the page. So these are the images that I'm going to use in this image gallery. So for now, let's jump over to the empty CSS file, and here we're going to add the CSS code. So first we are going to target the gallery class, and here I'm going to add margin 5 pixel, border 1px, solid this color, and float left, and width will be 180 px. And after this we are going to use the hover effect to this gallery. So when the user hover, what will happen? So the border should be changed to the dark color, solid. This is a little bit dark color. And after this, I'm going to target the images element. So inside the gallery, I have element which is image. And let's adjust the width and the height of the element. Width will be 100% and the height is going to be auto. And after this, I'm going to target the description class, and let's add some padding which will be 50 pixel, and text align to the center. Now let's save this and let's refresh the page and check. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, this is the image gallery that we have created right now. So when we hover the cursor to this image, as you can see, the border changed to the dark color. So when I click on this, it is going to be open. As you can see, when I click on this, it's open all of these images inside the new tab. So for this, what I'm going to do, inside the image, inside the HTML, inside the href attribute, so as you can see, inside the gallery class, I have an element which is a, and inside the href attribute, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and let's paste it here, and let's save this and let's check whether it works or not. So when we click on this, as you can see, it will open that image in a new tab. So now what we are going to do, we are going to copy all of this and let's paste this inside the href attribute. Let's copy this and let's save this. Let's copy this from here as well and let's paste it here. Now let's save this. Now let's check. So as you can see, when we click on this second image, so when we click on the second image, it will display all images into a new tab. But when we refresh the page and when we click now, it will only display the image in a new tab that we have click on it. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you think you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.